Come with us on a family farm adventure to Eastern PEI. I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but this video was recorded towards the ending of July, and as at then, I was heavily pregnant. Anyway, on this adventure, we went to Eastern PEI. I don't know the name of the town, but it was a long drive. Not too long, but 45 minutes ish drive. Something like that. Together with me on this journey is my sweet husband, mhm, our daughter, and one other handsome, faithful brother. And what are we going to do? We went to buy goats. Yeah. I mean, yes, goats. We went to buy goats. Now, I know the next question you want to ask me is why travel that far for 45 minutes to get goat's meat? Can't you get them at the store? I know, I know, and I will answer your question. So, here in Canada, it is preferable you buy things in bulk. That way, not just in Canada, when you buy things in bulk, that way it is more cheaper, especially when you have the means. It is preferable you buy them in bulk. You can't compare the price to what you are going to get at the stores. So when you have the means, get them in bulk. Secondly, winter is approaching, and in winter, there are limited things you'll be able to get because of the weather, how harsh the weather is, the cold, the snow, farm produce, meat produce are not readily available in winter. So many people go out when winter is approaching. Many people go out to buy things in bulk, store them in their freezer that will last them throughout the winter season. I know you would have been seeing videos, seeing reels of people buying vegetables, buying meat, in bulks and storing them in freezers. So that is what happened. We are almost there. We have 1 minute to go. Yeah. Anyway, you can see that chariot in front. Yes, these are the Amish people, and they are the one that does this kind of farming. They are the ones that we are going to buy the goats from. So these Amish people, they are traditional Christian community. They are known for their simple, self-sufficient lifestyle. They don't rely on, electricity or the modern technology. In fact, they don't have phones. So most times when we want to come, we can't call them to ask, do you have goats? Do you have this? We have to come. They don't have phones, so we have to get there before we know what they have and what they don't have. They don't rely on all this modern technology as much as we do. They farm, they raise animals, they make almost everything themselves by hand. And it was such a nice experience. They are hardworking people, they are humble, they are honest, and they are very kind people. Yeah, I love their dressing too. They dress like these ancient people that we see in the Bible stories and everything. They have this simple lifestyle. They are into farming.
Oh, Mama, see, it's pooing now. Shimo, hey, do you see how much their poo is? Wow. And that one too. It has poo all over the tail. See the tail? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it's using that tail to rub the other one. Did you see that? Oh, cow meow. Why did you poo all over your tail? See that one there is peeing. Did you see that?
Yeah.
It's peeing. It's peeing. So you have seen a cow poo and pee now?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you know cows and animals poo.
For the purpose of YouTube policy, I had to censor the parts where the goat was fried. And then see Maranatha's reaction. She was like, why will daddy do this?
As a boss lady that I am, I'm here to watch. See the kidney. Mama, see the kidney. Sorry, dear. That's the kidney. Yeah, touch it. The kidney, even just like the shape of the kidney of the human body. It's a bean shape. Looks like beans. So that's the heart. Look at it. Locked up. That's the heart.
Can we open it?
No, nothing.
So Mama, come. This is the heart.
I want to open it.
What do you want to open? Are you a cardiologist? Why do you want to open it?
Yes.
You want to see the inner structures of the heart?
Yes.
Hmm.
See diaphragm here?
Which one? I'll check. So this is the heart. Wow.
Is it pink? Is it color pink?
This is the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, the left ventricle down here. The pulmonary arteries and the aorta. Kilo Bamilton, wash your hand. I want to wash my hand. Tell this small blood that touch. I want to wash my hand. Don't wash your hand. The heart of the goat, and that's just the size of the human heart.
Really?
Yeah, the human heart is just the size of the fist of your hand. If you hold your hand like this in a fist, that's the size of your heart. Yeah, I'm just thinking out loud. Why don't they use animal heart for human heart transplant?
We are almost done.
I left them while about to doing the second one. Don't worry, the charge is not rising. I want to rest a bit. Oh, I'm back. No problem. Almost done with the second one. Nakushata.
Me?
Capture the process. Please be careful though.
Oh yes, we are finally done. After all the work, in fact, it was a tiring day. At this point, we were tired. After all the work, we packed everything into the car and yeah, we headed back home. Tired, but it was rewarding. But that was my first time knowing about the Amish community, so I saw how they live their lives so simple. And even the meat, we are still eating it. This is December, and we still have some batch of the meat because I had to pack it. We washed it, packed it in the Ziploc bag, and it's in the freezer. So we still have some parts remaining in the freezer. It was rewarding, yeah. Thank you for watching, and if you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.